Greetings to the viewers of this video. In this video, we are going to see how to use nasal sprays in a proper way. They are mostly used locally for nasal congestion and for treatment of allergic rhinitis. Before knowing how to use a nasal spray, let's look upon its parts. It consists of a dust cap, which prevents contamination of drug, and then a spray pump unit, comprising of spray pump tip, finger flange disc, and shoulders of the spray pump, and bottle, comprising of drug. Now, let us see the steps to use nasal spray. Step 1. Blow your nose gently to remove dust particles. Step 2. Shake the bottle gently and then remove the protective dust cap. Hold the bottle as shown in the figure, with your forefinger and middle finger on either side of the nozzle, and your thumb underneath the bottle. Step 3. If you are using it for the first time, or if you have not used it for a week or more, test the spray. Let me tell you how to test the spray. With the nozzle pointing away from you, press down a few times, as shown, until a fine mist comes out of the nozzle. Next, step 4. Close one nostril and hold the bottle like this. Now, tilt your head forward slightly, and keep the bottle upright. Carefully insert the tip of the nasal spray in one of your nostrils. Step 5. Start to breathe in through your nose, and while breathing in, press down with your fingers once to release a spray. Step 6. Breathe out through your mouth and spray into other nostril as said before. Step 7. Wipe the nozzle with a clean handkerchief and replace the protective dust cap. Important points to note while using nasal spray. Do not pierce the nozzle to use the nasal spray. Do not break the circular finger flange disc to use the spray. For effective use of the nasal spray, press down the finger flange completely. Partial press do not release the medication. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.